Hello, welcome to Temporary New. My name is Clint. Today I'm going to be making an angled plane guide to help me make mitre joints as accurately as possible. I hope you enjoy it. thanks a lot for watching that build. They're not perfect mitres by any stretch of the imagination, but they are a lot better than I could do had I not had the jig. They're square-ish, though someone who's better at using the jig and making the jig would definitely be able to make these square. And plus this wood is just something I quickly planed, so I would say it's a user fault rather than the problem with the jig. Also, since I made this 45 completely by hand, I think if you did it with a machine, or if you're a lot more skilled than I am, then you can make this certainly a much more true 45-degree angle on here, so that would obviously help as well. And then I found that adjusting the lever at the back here was necessary just to get the blade in the right place. So lots of little micro adjustments needed, I think, just to make it viable. But I think it's definitely a cool thing, and I'm glad I saw it in a magazine, an old magazine. I think it was Fine Woodworking. And it's a really cool thing, so I'd love to see someone else make it and make it better than I have. But I'll definitely improve on it in the future. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching that, and hopefully I'll catch you again soon.